Let's have a look at the bank overdraft for McGuigan 2022 company account. So the first part, it says a credit transfer of 3,500 has been received at the 31st of 12th 2021 in respect of a debtor who had recently been declared bankrupt. This represents a first and final payment of 70 cents for every €1 owed. So let's have a look and see in our bank account. Where is our bank account? Is it an asset or is it a liability? So bank, it's on the credit side. So if it's on the credit side, it's a liability. So that bank is a bank overdraft. So there's three parts to this adjustment. So credit transfer of 3,500. That means 3,500 went into our bank. So that's going to reduce our bank overdraft. So we need to bring our bank overdraft down by 3,500. Second part then is that this 3,500 was received from a debtor and they have been declared bankrupt. So they've paid us money. So we need to reduce the debt from the debtor. So we need to find 100%. So 70% is equal to 3,500. So then you're going to go and find what is 100%. And that's how much we're going to reduce our debtors by. And then because the debtor hasn't paid us and they've paid us some of the money that they owe us, we're going to have a bad debt. And the bad debt is the difference between the figure that we calculate for the 100% for the debtor and how much we've received. So if we look at our workings that we're doing, so your debtor, so 70% is equal to 3,500. 1% is equal to 3,500 divided by 70, which gives you 50. So 100% then is equal to 50 multiplied by 100, which is 5,000. So the debt that we're not going to get back is going to be 5,000. So we need to reduce our debtors by 5,000. Our bank overdraft is going to go down by 3,500. And then the difference between the 5,000 and the 3,500 is going to be the bad debt. So let's have a look. I think we have a working for debtors already. So we're going to go find out working and adjust it accordingly. With the 5,000, you need to take 5,000 away from debtors. So here's our debtors. So we have a previous working done on it. I think that is gone, sorry. So debtors. So debtors then, remember we need to update the previous working figure. So we need to reduce that by 5,000 because that's how much the bad debt is. So our new figure then is going to be for debtors, it's going to be 82,150. Then we need to create the bad debt, which is the difference between the full amount and how much we've received. So your bad debt is 5,000. We received 3,500. So the bad debt that's going to go into our profit and loss account underneath selling distribution is 1,500. And then your bank, then according to the question, bank overdraft 85,000. We received an extra 3,500. So we're going to reduce our bank overdraft because we don't owe the bank as much. And that's going to be 81,500. So anytime you get a adjustment that says that a debtor has been declared bankrupt and this represents the first and final payment. So the final payment, three things you're going to do. One, you're going to decrease the bank with the amount of money we received. Two, you're going to calculate the 100% for the debtor and you're going to reduce your debtors. And three, the difference between the 100% and the 3,500, that's going to be your bad debt. That goes into your profit and loss account underneath selling and distribution. And that's the first part of the bank for McGuigan 2022 manufacturing account.